To start, you'll want to gather all your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, cut into pieces, and 1 pound of andouille sausage, sliced. Add these to your crock pot. Next, chop 1 large onion, 1 bell pepper and 3 celery stalks, and mince 3 cloves of garlic. Add these vegetables to the crock pot. The next step is to pour in 1 can of diced tomatoes and 1 cup of chicken broth. This will give your dish a rich and hearty base. Now it's time to add the seasonings. Stir in 2 teaspoons of Creole seasoning, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, and half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Add a bay leaf and season with salt and pepper to taste. Cover the crock pot and let it do its magic. Cook it on low for 6 to 7 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours until the chicken is tender and the flavors are well blended. About 30 minutes before the cooking time is up, you'll want to add 1 cup of frozen okra. Stir to combine and continue cooking until the okra is heated through. When it's time to serve, remove the bay leaf. Serve your Creole chicken and sausage hot over cooked rice. For the finishing touch, garnish with sliced green onions and chopped parsley. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.